Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
All right. Hello. Good morning. How are you? It is December 9th, 2025, and we are here for the New York session. So why does my stats panel say the Asia session? That was the remainder from last night. 3 trades, 3 wins. Better than my losing streak that I was on. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's look at our charts. We've got, well, if we look here, let's start here with the 5-minute spot gold chart. Now let's bring it down here. All right, so this rectangle that we have here, let me remove the indicators so we can just see. This rectangle that we have here, this is Friday end of day consolidation. So you can look at last night when we got onto the charts, we were in this box. That's where we drew our box, it was about right here. And then we came down out of it, got back into it, came back way down out of it, still a failed breakout. Now it's come back up to the other side. Now we are in another breakout to the upside. I don't think we have to move our rectangle here. You know, normally I would put rectangle back in a box on, you know, for each new session, but because we're still pretty close to where this rectangle, where I put the rectangle before, we can still orient ourselves. The only purpose for this box is to orient ourselves. We come to the charts, we put price in a box. That is our constant reminder if that's where price was when we sat down. If it was range bound, then maybe it's going to stay in that box for longer than it did last night. But you know, it was on the move, so it just kind of moved out. It just kind of gives me that that grounding. Okay, so we have we're starting a little bit late today, so I'm just going to open the Zoom room now because Tono might be coming on. So let me just do that. Zoom room. Here we go. Okay, here we go. All right. now that we've done that, let's change the music out a little bit. Get into our zone. Hope you have your coffee. Good, but I'll let it sit too long. It's not quite hot enough. My goodness, it is 19 degrees outside today. 16 degrees. Whoa. That is cold. Okay, let's turn the music down a little bit. And let's start getting ourselves into the zone here so we can make some money. Well, you know, yeah, what we will do, maybe we will start the morning off the right way with a little prayer. How about that? Who can't use a prayer in the mornings? Everybody can. All right, make this a little bit bigger. All right, here we go.
Dear baby Forex Jesus, patron saint of stop hunts and spread spikes, grant me the strength to obey my two-loss rule, the serenity to ignore the chat, and the wisdom to tell an A setup from a fever dream. Deliver me from revenge trades, from FOMO disguised as intuition, and from the cursed words, just one more trade. May my fills be swift, my exits disciplined, and my internet stable at the moment of glory. If it be thy will, let the candles respect structure today. But if not, let me take the loss like an adult. Amen. And may all our drawdowns be temporary. And now let's say the secret magic phrase together. Cock-a-doodle-doo, Fu Manchu. Let the market bend, not me or you.
All right. Amen. Dominus Ubiscus. Okay. So, I think we're ready to dive in. Let's see. Okay, back to the 1 minute chart. We see that price right now is sitting just below the, what is that? That is the, goodness, I can't even see that. The DM3. Okay, so we're sitting right below the DM3. That means we're sitting right above the daily pivot. So where is that? No, we're not. We are sitting above the DM2. No, we got to be sitting above the daily pivot. Yep, there it is. It is right there at 41.95. Okay. 41.95. So it's right here. So that's our DM, that's our DPP, our DM3, and in between that we have the previous day value area low and the Sunday open. Those are the orange lines. Different levels that we want to watch. We've got some support and resistance already drawn in here. We've got a regression channel showing us that we're in a downtrend. And we've got our indicators down here that I'm kind of experimenting with. I'm not really sure which ones I'm paying most attention to right now. Excuse me. Easy for me to say. Okay. It is 7:34. Getting settled in. Let's do what we usually do. Get ourselves into the zone. We lower the lights. Now that we have discussed things here face to face, I'm going to change the camera angle so you can settle in, I can settle in. There we go. Lower the lights. Okay. So now we wait. Where's our next trade? Yeah, let's talk about that. All right, so I'm just taking a look at the chart here. All right, if I look at the structure, hang on. Okay, Google, turn off the smart heater.
Sure, turning off the smart heater.
Okay, it looks like we have, you know, a level right here. There's a resistance here, a resistance here, a resistance here. Then we've got the swing high, and then we have, what is this, the WPP. So going up, it's dicey. With the right momentum, the right price action, we could maybe get a trade going up, but it looks like there's you know, a lot of support, a lot of resistance heading in that direction right now. And as we come down, at least in the short term, there's more room to trade just because there are fewer obstacles in our way.
Morning, man.
Hey, good morning, Tono.
Good, how you doing? How's it looking?
Looking pretty calm right now. Nothing too exciting. Charts haven't been making big moves this morning. I sat down late, so I haven't been here very long.
Okay.
Let me throw you up on the screen. There you are.
How was last night?
Last night was difficult. It was pulling teeth. It was there were some good movements, but it was just there were just too many obstacles in the way the whole time. I ended up, you know, I got my number, which, you know, is low. I got like 170 or something like that.
Right.
But yeah, then I just quit. It was too dicey.
Let's see where we are. Today's what, the 9th?
Yeah, today's the 9th.
Yeah. you look at that text I sent you about that journaling thing?
Yeah, I haven't clicked into it. I haven't looked at it yet, but I did see it. Yeah.
It doesn't work with the prop firm, but it might work with your. You use Tradeovate on your prop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has Trader work with Tradeovate.
Cool. Check it out. Let's see. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for Lucid. It's 16 degrees here.
In New York?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
How cold is it there?
I don't know. Let me see. 26 degrees.
26.
Still cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, actually, it says 18 degrees. What am I saying?
Oh, yeah, 18 degrees. Yep. 16 here.
It's supposed to be this big storm coming through. You hear about it?
No.
It's supposed to be 14 inches.
When?
I saw it last night. I saw it on the news last night. It said prepare for a 14-inch storm.
Hey, Google, when is it going to snow?
It is cloudy and 19 degrees in New York City right now, with a 10% chance of snow today. There's a 45% chance of snow tomorrow, Wednesday, December 10th.
I guess tomorrow.
Guess it's tomorrow, huh?
Rock must be taking a little break from trading.
I think he's acting.
Oh.
Yeah, I spoke to a friend of his. I was concerned, so I called a friend of his. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
We don't have any news today, do we? Or no, wait, we did have news
Yeah,
today. We got
we
something.
do have news, yeah.
Let's see it.
Yeah, we have something.
And 9:50. Well, we have ADP weekly unemployment change tentative. Suppose that's 8:30. Well, let me see. I guess I need to refresh. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
still
no, we have an 8 something. Is it 8 something? It's
just
10
tentative.
o'clock. In 10 o'clock.
Oh,
yeah.
10 o'clock we have Jolt's job openings, right? So possibly an 8:30 and definitely a 10.
Yeah.
So we have September data and October data coming out at the same time, it looks like. or September data and November data. I don't know. I'm confused.
All right, looks like we might be going down a bit. Do we have any room? There's a support on the daily pivot that might stop us. And on the, it's also on the Akinashi chart. Oh, just broke Akinashi, so.
Time is it 7:45? Still early.
Yep.
This is a minor level. I'm thinking it pushes up here.
What's that?
We're at a minor level right now. If it breaks this resistance that it's pushing up against right now on the 1 minute, there's probably a 2 or 3 pip trade up to the pivot.
Yeah.
Oh no, I guess that's only about 1.5 pips. I think I like this new indicator you turned me on to.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
I tried to take this trade, but my trade of 8 didn't trigger for some reason. I'd be in profit now.
right up to the pivot.
Yeah. This is where it bounced from last time. Bounced down. You taking anything?
No, I'm just gonna chill. I'm waiting for the market to kind of settle in.
Yeah.
Foto que se vea todo lo de atrás. Si me cortas el cuello, no importa. Lo importante es lo de atrás. Si yo salgo de aquí para arriba, está bien. Toma una foto aquí, pero con un poquito tu dedo. Que se vea tu dedo tapando ahí. Toma una foto aquí, pero que salgan los chalecos. El fondo no importa, los chalecos. Pero haz como para que salgan los trabajadores que salgan. Toma una foto con ellos, pero espérate que cierren los ojos. Cuando cierren los ojos, la tomas, ¿ya? Una foto aquí, pero que salga movida la foto.
I don't like how the resistance looks on the 5-minute Hakanashi.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you look at the 15 man, it's even though it's out of the box, it's kind of still trading in the box.
Yeah.
Did E-Man get on with you last night?
No. No.
I think that the last drop was at what, about 4,200 a couple of minutes ago.
Yeah. I'll take a sell here. I hate how this sucker slips me all the time. One minute for 8 o'clock. Oh, I hate this. I don't like being in this trade now.
Yeah, you're in it now.
Come on back down. One, 8 o'clock. There it is. Get me out of this trade, Wentworth.
Trying to get you out. Trying to get you out.
It's going up. Fuck. I'm screwed.
Barry wants to come back.
Stopped out. That one gave me the opportunity to get out a couple times and I didn't.
Yeah. Hey man, come on, bro. Can you send text? No.
ain't really got no major news today, huh?
Yeah, 10 o'clock. Tentatively 8:30, right?
Tentatively 8:30. Yeah.
But then there's an 10 o'clock one for sure.
I'm looking on
Sit
the
patiently. Wait.
yeah,
What are you looking?
I was looking on the calendar. I don't see nothing around there. I see 8:15, 9 o'clock.
What are you
Yes,
looking at?
the calendar.
Make sure you're on the
looking
right
day?
and refresh.
December 9th.
Yep.
It's right there, 10 o'clock.
Mine skipped. Got 9 a.m. and then it skips the next time is 12:01 p.m.
You must be on the wrong kind of calendar, man. There's a bunch of, you don't see any other dates
Look,
Yeah, I
in
do.
any
I
other
got
countries?
yeah, I do. You got
You
the
know, tentative at right at 8:30.
on mine's monetary policy report at 8:15. Then never seen the SEP data before. They got 9 a.m. United States.
that September
job
data is the September data is job openings, right? There's going to be one for September, and then at 10 a.m. one for I suppose October or November, and then you see one that says 9:15 GBP monetary policy report.
Mine say 9 a.m. that job opening.
Where are you getting your news from?
The regular calendar.
What's the calendar's name, man?
I'm under forexfactory.com calendar.
Yeah, that's right.
What do you see right now? The very first date. The very first thing that's not whited out?
That'll be the tentative
Right.
United States.
US ADP, right?
Yeah.
And
ADP.
then you see the next one is 9:15.
Mine say 8:15.
Oh, right.
What's it say?
No, because he's
Well,
in.
yeah,
He's,
I'm,
he's
I'm,
Oh
in
yeah,
Central.
you're an hour
before you
behind,
submit.
right?
Yeah.
And then there's a 9 o'clock, right?
Yeah, right under the September data.
Right.
It's
That's
9
the
a.m.
news.
That's
That's
the
the
news.
red folder.
Schultz opening.
That's right. That's y'all's 10 o'clock, man. It keep killing me.
Mm,
Mine say 9.
yeah.
Yeah, because it's adjusting to your time zone.
Yeah.
Doesn't know what it wants to do yet.
I know it, man.
Well, it took my money.
Shoot, yesterday it took mine too. You are not alone.
Are you still
And
in
I-
those trades?
Yep, it left me at 3 o'clock this morning. I wanted to hang on all night long. I hung
You
on
were
long.
trading you traded the London session?
No, I was just trying to get out of the hedge because I knew it was going up today,
Right.
and I wanted to be out.
Keeps hitting that 204 pivot and turning back around.
Yeah.
No, it's trying to break that 7, but
Yeah, it goes up to
won't
that
do.
6-7,
Yeah,
turns back around. Comes back down to the 4, turns back
It-
around.
that's all it did all day yesterday, bro. And then the more it do it, it's gonna eventually drop to get some steam. And bro, that's what it did. It was killing me too.
It actually broke the tool for about a few minutes ago, so I don't know why it's holding now.
I know, Brad.
Got
That's
that support
what
on the
was
1
strange
minute.
yesterday. When
Yeah.
I got in at 10 on a buy, you can see what nothing there. It was going up and it just stopped and just fell all the way back to 78.
Yeah.
I was like, what the flip is going on? And then it didn't just fall. I would have preferred it just fail. That's why I know what direction it was going. It'll come down, and then it act like it's turning around, going back up. Then you jump out of a hedge with a little loss just to get out. And do that 100 times.
Are you using any trading view charts, E-Man?
What'd you say now?
Are you using any trading view charts?
No.
One minute for Comex.
That the indicator that we just talked about, Mike, on trading view. See how it just stayed flat? Keep us out of all of that.
Which time frame?
1 minute.
Yeah.
See how it was just white,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Kept us all out of that choppiness. looks like the momentum is on the downside. When it drops heavy.
Yeah.
It creeps up,
Mm-hmm.
but when it drops with larger candlesticks. Even though gold is stronger than the dollar.
You know, what you're saying is what it kept doing yesterday. It would drop bigger. You know, the candles was bigger, and it'll creep back up. Then one time it just had this big burst up. You know, I'm like, wow, what is going on?
It did what? It burst up?
It burst up, you know?
Mm.
By that time, all I wanted was my bed.
And I tried to work out yesterday.
What'd you say?
I
We can't
tried to
try.
work out yesterday for the
Oh.
first time. And let me tell you, man, shit, it just ain't work. It's like the Wizard of Oz Tin Man, just all stiff, and I couldn't believe that my body's motion is so bad now. You
Mm.
know,
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm gonna take it nice and slow.
You work at the house or you went to the gym?
No, at the house, I got a couple things I can use.
Yeah, they say if you don't use it, you lose it.
You sure do.
Like
Not lying about that.
I worked out the day before Thanksgiving, and I didn't work out till last Wednesday. And then I've been trying to get back in there ever since, man. It's just been so cold.
Yeah,
It's starting over, bro. 2 weeks of 2 weeks off will hurt you in the gym, bro.
try
Just 2 weeks.
years.
Yeah, that's why I know.
wants to go now.
Yeah, come on back to 93.
That's where you got to get out at.
Yeah. It's going well. I wasn't say might be able to take that down, but it's going down without going down.
Running into a support on the daily pivot though, but looks good.
Yeah.
Careful, we might have news here in 2.5 minutes. We're in and out. Go for it.
Yeah.
Okay. In and out on futures, you'll make a little money.
Yeah.
With this one here, you just get stuck.
Yeah. Has this changed from tentative to definitive yet? Nope. Oh, it has disappeared.
So it's not going to happen at all.
Oh, wait a minute. It came out at 8:15. So it was released. But it was, yeah, I can't even, it doesn't even say whether it was meeting projections or not. All right, so that isn't happening. Now we don't have anything until, we have an orange folder at 9:15 and we have jolts at 10.
I said I might get my wish, man.
Did you get out?
No, I ain't get out yet.
Gotta get through the pivot here. But yep.
That would have been a decent trade now.
Yeah.
Now that we look at it. Hey, anybody heard from Rock?
I think he's working.
Acting.
He's got a gig.
Oh, okay.
Got somebody to kill in Law and Order.
Say it again.
He's got somebody to kill in Law and Order. Television
Oh, yeah.
show. Yeah.
Have any one of y'all ever seen him on Law and Order?
I saw him on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, I was trying to see something that he was in. I could check him out.
I'll see if I can find the clip. I'll send it to you.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
now just gonna go sideways for the next what?
Yeah, who knows?
So far, December has sort of been a dud.
Yeah, not great trading days.
I mean, we haven't had a lot of. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th day, 7th day.
Yeah, it ain't been a good month.
No.
Look at those little tiny candles on the 10-second.
Yeah. I think that support is keeping it from coming down to the daily pivot. We want the daily pivot to break. If it breaks that, we got a nice little run.
Yeah.
Well, seems to be getting weaker.
Slow moving day.